Welcome to the Shar and Joe Show. So for season 3, we're pairing up two of the passions that both Sharlene and I enjoy.
For me, that's writing.
And for me, that's photography. So we're gonna be doing creative portraits, and then we're gonna share a bit of Sharlene's writing at the end of each episode and on our Instagram page.
Right, and writing is something that comes in spurts for me. Sometimes I'll write every day, and sometimes months and months and months go by, but it's something I've been doing since I was really young, and this season definitely has inspired me to write more.
So photography is something that I've been into since I was younger, but I really got passionate about it when Sharlene lent me her camera for a trip that I went on. And I love the pictures I got, but I also fell in love with the time-lapse feature on her camera. And I'd say that ultimately led me to pursue a career in photography, time-lapse, and videos.
Our goal for this season is to combine the two things that we enjoy, writing and photography, to create something that really motivates and inspires others, art that really connects with people, and hopefully inspires you to pursue things that you're also passionate about.
For full disclosure, I don't take a lot of portraits. So you can look forward to watching us try something new, getting creative, and of course, watching those bloopers.
I'm really excited about this season.
Yeah, and thanks so much for you guys tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can keep up with all the fun.
See ya.
See ya.